Millions of people across the country are logging on to for Amazon Prime Day. The deals went up just after 9 o'clock this evening. Consumer reporter John Matarese on your side with the right time to buy so you don't waste your money.
It's the third annual Amazon Prime Day, which Amazon claims is like Black Friday in July. But if you shopped it the past 2 years, you can't be blamed for being a bit underwhelmed. So what's the secret to scoring a real deal? After all the hype, many Amazon shoppers ended up disappointed last year, calling Prime Day a prime fail. The reason, unlike Black Friday, they don't announce most sales in advance. All Amazon promoted was big discounts on Amazon gear, like the Echo and Kindle. Most everything else was a flash sale, gone in a flash too. But CNET says there's a way to avoid frustration. It says if you're on your smartphone, download the Amazon shopping app. Look for today's deals, then set Watch This Deal so that you're alerted when it goes on sale. On a laptop, build a wish list and get email alerts when your items drop in price. Bottom line, the deals continue all the way through Tuesday late night. So set those alerts and keep on checking. And remember, it's just 4 months to the real Black Friday, so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, 9 on your side.